name is Maria Fernanda Madrid, and I'm going to be talking about Gran Fiesta Americanas in my evidence 2, and I'm going to provide a strategy to increase the motivation in the company. Firstly, I want to talk about what we do know about Gran Fiesta Americana. One of the first things we know about them is the type of personalities that their employees have. My analysis will all be focused on the front desk workers. Why? Because firstly, what I discovered was that a lot of the employees in this department, they are very open. So we could consider that these people have in their personality models that they have a large percentage of openness. This means that they are willing to create, to innovate. They want to be more involved and participate within the organization's decisions and activities. This is what they somewhat currently have. However, I also believe that they should continue working like this, especially with the analysis that was done. We found out that in the Okai research that they really want a family-like working environment and culture. In order to have this family-like culture, it's important for them to maintain curious and maintain this want to continue learning and growing. Specifically, the type of culture that they have is the clan culture, also known as the collaborative culture, which is, as I described, very family-like. They want to all be part of the team. They want to be more involved. They want to have better communication within the organization. Because of that, I think it's really important for them to maintain this personality type. As seen in the data analysis, it's evident that the collaborators all believe that the company currently has this kind of environment, this kind of culture. However, there is a gap and people still want more. They want to feel more like a family, and it's important to find ways in order to do so. They could improve their culture, even though they already have a clan culture working environment, or well, in other words, a collaborative culture, is by increasing and improving their trustworthiness as well as their communication. We're gonna feel more comfortable in giving their opinions, as well as feel comfortable in expressing how they feel and being more open towards changes and towards different ways of working. Now to my strategy. One of the things that I believe is going to increase the motivation of these collaborators in Gran Fiesta Americana is having a Star of the Month award. Even though the hotel may already provide this type of award system, I think linking this to a physical, tangible award would help increase the employees' motivation. Firstly, I want to focus on the front desk workers, because these are the first people customers, one of the first people customers are talking to, and if these persons tend to give bad customer service, then it could impact the customer's whole hotel experience. That said, it's really important to have these people happy and satisfied in their job. This front desk star award is an award that could be given once a month to the front desk worker who has achieved some sort of goal or has impacted the organization in a great way. I recommend that this award is voted by either the employees or customers have a chance to give an opinion on who they believe deserves this award. It could be done through surveys. It really to recognize those workers who really put in extra effort in their jobs and recognize them with a plaque. Also give them a monetary award such as night in the hotel. How I know this award motivational system going to work is because of the motivational psychological theory, the reinforcement theory. This theory suggests that people's behaviors are all impacted through consequences, whether if it's extension, punishment, or on a reward. That said, since these employees will be rewarded through either a free stay in the hotel, but as well as verbal recognition, as well as a physical plaque. Not only that, but all of this also connects to a different theory called the social learning theory. It signifies as one person is trying their best to win the award, others would be influenced through that and will be motivated to repeat the same action. Specifically, this type of motivational theory suggests that people would pay attention to certain actions, would retain what they've learned from other people's actions, and then they would repeat it. Another great thing that could be added to this kind of motivational system is that not only that they have a monetary reward and recognition, but they also have some kind of leadership influence. For example, you could help lead the weekly meetings. It's important, especially since the motivational theory from McLennan's suggests that people really crave this power, and if employees get some sort of power, it would make them want to work well. It's important to also know the kind of leadership that Gran Fiesta Americana should have. Right now, I do believe they have sort of humanistic approaches. They're really focused on the employee. However, I do think it's important to maybe blend two other types of leadership, such as visionary as well as servant leadership. For example, visionary leadership really focuses on trying to inspire your employees and really trying to make them understand why they're doing things, trying to understand the value that the company really understand the goals of the company. I think this, along with servant leadership is mainly focused on the betterment of your employees, and most important to these type of leaders is ensuring that the employees are satisfied. Blending these two certain aspects of visionary and certain aspects of servant will be really helpful, as it would increase engagement. It will help them reach their family-like environment, the clan and collaborative environment that everyone wants in this company.